and change what in here, of course. So I spotted something, and I did like this because of the screen. So I seen something interesting that I'm gonna show you when I can post it, and then say, oh no, I can. Oh no, I can't. The app is blocked. It's gonna be the 30th. So the 30th is important. And then my phone has still memory, and memory has been tinkered with once again. You see here there is the... I remind you that the entire species is at risk right now. And this is what they do when the species is at risk. When they lose everything, they continue to do this. New York has been flooded. New York has been flooded, right? And this is what they do in answer to this. So I can try to take a screenshot. And then it says that there is no more space. So now you see what's up. I wanted to take a picture of the screen because it's been worsening as well. Meaning that, of course, these people are like, you're all about to die. This is what's going on. They don't care. And you aren't doing enough to prevent this, so you're about to die. Congratulations. You don't believe it. You don't want to do anything in that direction. Woo. You are such a species that deserve to live, therefore, right? You are proving it so well that you deserve to live. It's quite obvious that you want to leave right now. It's really obvious. I understand it perfectly. Therefore, the aliens, they understand it perfectly too. They get it. You want to leave. They understand it. You are showing it that you want to leave right now. Yes, it's like the species is less important than one thing happening in a library of one person. You're all dying. This is what's happening. This is you dying. You see that? up. And you don't get it because you're not dead right now. And you will never get it because you will die anyway. Before being like, that was it. Right? In here, there is like so many people. Because nobody understands. No one understands. This is as well what you can interpret as being desperate and having nothing to lose. Up, so I record it and I quit. Up. City Forest once again. KK pedophilia. With a magnificent garden. I don't see. Magnificent garden and almost nobody living there. Lots of vegetation and almost nobody working there, living there. Check it out. When I am like this, it means that you should back off. Because there were two people surrounding me real close. So it was like, what are you doing? You push her up, I push her back. So it might be linked to... I'm going to show you with this then. We're going to have it twice. So there you see... It's the 25th, like my birthday. Abuse like abuse. 8.99 euros, which is more expensive than the 33, the cables, which is also linked to my experience. So it makes 333.99 euros a cable, because my cables had been targeted, have been attacked to charge my phone, to charge my everything. So then it's cheaper because I had almost no money for it, right? And then here, the Abu is a bit more expensive. I don't know why, 25th. Because they consider that I am a slave, right? So then the 26 is like a bag to put me in a bag, 3.33 euros, which is the same price as the cables, which makes totally sense. And then if you want a USB adapter, it's 1.69, which is not expensive at all, right? And then if you want earphones, because I have been attacked on my earphones as well, it's 4.99, which is almost twice the price, twice cheaper than the abuse, the red abuse, which is not the color of the KK and which is not the color of blood, right? Then a top bike, it's 7.99. And paper, 80 pages, it's 1.99. So there we have it twice.